Welcome back, friends. Tonight we're going to make citrus pork carnitas. What's a carnita? It means little meat. We're making ours with pork tenderloin. You will cut this up into small chunks. Add your olive oil to your pan. We're on 350. I just bumped it up to 4. Add your onions. This is one full onion chop. And you will saute this until it's translucent. You will then add your garlic. We have 3 cloves here going in, and this is going to be smelling this kitchen up good. There's nothing like garlic. We will next add our spices. We have cumin, oregano, allspice, and cinnamon. You will toast these spices and they'll get a little brown. Then you're going to add your tomato paste. Guys, the recipe for this will be in the description, so check that out. You're going to cook this tomato sauce until it gets brown. You're looking for that caramelization. Then you're going to add 1 cup of water. This will cook down a little, and it is smelling so good, guys. I wish you guys could smell this. Here comes the orange juice. We are using orange concentrate. Now the Worcestershire sauce. Again, all of the measurements will be in the description. And we have the vinegar. That's really going to bring out the flavors in this pork. Add your pork. Once you get the pork in, you're going to bring it to a boil. You want to take a moment, preheat your oven to 300. We're going to let this simmer a little bit. We also need to add to this our salt and pepper. Let me grab that. And then we will add our bay leaves. We're adding 5. That's 3. Throw these 2 in as well. Get that all stirred together. You will put a cover on this when you put it in the oven. And this has been in the oven for 2 hours. It smells delicious. Look at the caramelization on that pork. I am chopping up our meat. We will be serving this on tacos. If you were going to be serving this over rice, you would just leave it whole if you would like. This recipe is one that I had cobbled together from some research, and it has some really nice stuff going for it. The spices are perfect, and the orange juice concentrate does 2 things. It tenderizes the meat, and it also creates a deep, layered flavor that's infused through the meat. The sauce caramelizes in the oven. This citrus braised pork carnita has so much flavor and it is so tender. Pit cooked pork from your oven. Look at that. That is going to be so delicious. Let me give you a close up. There you go. Open your mouth. Now we're going to put the tacos together. You'll see here we're making ours with our homemade pepper sauce, pickled onions, and crema. You will find these recipes on our channel. Thank you for hanging out with me. Like, share, and subscribe. Check out our channel for other recipes and hit notifications so you'll get them when they post.